taga-Saudi.
Hey! Nag-start na po ang vlog natin. Uy, dito pala kayo guys. Kumusta kayo?
So we're just arrived from Dubai and we're
Yeah.
Oo nga, parang parang may sarili kayong group chat ha. Ba't naka-jeans kayo parehas? Naka-denim jeans. That's so unfair. Hindi nyo ako sinama na sa group chat na yan.
Siyempre, ka-birthday, si Katukayo.
Magka-best din naman kayo ni Ma'am Shi kasi paras kayong halimaw sa ganda eh,
Mas
di
friend to,
ba?
mas maganda to, di ba? Nasaan ba tayo ngayon? Ano ba to?
Bellingham.
Bellingham, spell.
Bell.
Ganda, no?
Belly.
So,
Turn nyo naman yung mga subscriber natin. Nakikita nyo
naman
naman tayo.
naka-Las Vegas.
Welcome.
Naka-Las Vegas si Ma'am
Cat
Shi.
World.
Dance World, ano
We're
yun?
going to, I don't know where.
Meridian. Ayun, may M. May letter M.
So we're here now.
Siyempre yung mga altas sa M sa ano na.
We're going to there. There. Shake words.
Kenny, asan ba tayo ngayon?
to one of the best coffee shops in Bellingham. It's called Meridian. It's right here.
Let's make it worthy.
Mamshi, what are you bringing?
Tim Hortons, pandesal. Ay, hindi ba sinapan ako mo dyan paglakad? Ito na lang tayo.
Rodney, hi.
Si Mr.
Hello, Ma'am Shi. Where are we, Ma'am Shi?
May baon.
Ma'am Shi, mong pakita sa mga tao. Tago mo, sato. Ma'am Shi, don't forget, Ma'am Shi. Tayo ay
Yeah, nasa Soto.
tayo ay nasa fine dining
Soto.
restaurant.
Okay, which one is which?
I don't know, we're gonna try. Try mo yan.
Sa akin, napaka-obvious. Black coffee, yun lang.
Yan, mga tissue.
Ano tayo?
I thought that cappuccino is more foaming.
Sa'yo.
Maglakad ka?
Ay, pala tayo pupunta, oh, nightclub.
Yan, ito po ang aking mga friends na sobrang sophisticated. You know, so just you are guys to, to define what's the meaning of sophisticated.
Very educated.
Yeah, well educated. So there are the people with substance.
We're very subtle.
Yeah, very subtle. And they also have the sultry walk. Say hi to my vlog. Hey Leus.
Hi, Kenny's vlog.
Yeah. So this is Leus. So Leus has no sign of judge. And this one is no sign of also like Palenque. Kenny.
Don't talk to the queen like that.
Yeah.
The best value.
Yeah. So I don't know where we're going. Yeah. So actually it's our first time, walking around Bellingham. So we've been here many times. We're just, you know, stopping by to Trader Joe's. And now we're exploring the city. So you will see there's a waterfront right there. And there's a castle. So this one is actually famous soy house, Vietnamese cuisine. Vietnamese restaurant. Kenny si Tomo.
Nasaan? Okay, we're waiting.
Oh, there's a waterfront right there. So these are the goddess of the Kinembular. Are we here now in downtown Bellingham?
We are.
Hi, Kenny. Kenny, say hi to my blog.
Oh, I think it's your turn. Is it? No.
Actually, it's your blog. So, welcome to Bellingham.
Tagal ah.
Diba? Kahit hindi ako nag-work sa city.
Welcome.
Royal Park.
What's this?
Ma'am Shi, ano mo naman yung mga nanonood ng ating Kent's World?
I don't know what this place is called, but it looks like our seawall.
It's giving English Bay, Ma'am Shi.
Beautiful. Welcome
Hindi
to
mo lang, hindi ako
Bellingham.
sure, pero sige. Parang mas giving pa rin yung English Bay natin, Ma'am Shi. Naano ka na?
Tapos siya lumalakad kami dito para naman rumarampa. Halika na pa. Kaya rampa.
Para sa pang reels lang.
Ragnar Relay. One more today. Alam mo, para ano lang,
Stop na lang
seawall.
tayo dito para sa... Ay, siguro may barko doon. Para, kasi si Ma'am Shi iniisip ko baka may barko din. Last Friday.
Hello, Rodney and Ma'am Shi.
Welcome to Bells for Mom.
You're only blooming person like me.
He's the only blooming person.
Yeah,
GL
ever
card.
see GL card with the mesmerizing attire.
Cock ring, sure.
Nasaan tayo?
Widespread agad.
Ay, bakit sa bagal?
Ma'am Shia, oh.
Sa amin.
Pero di almasal guys.
Wonderful buffet. It's wonderful buffet.
3. Welcome to Wonderful Buffet. Hindi ka daw. Sunod tayo. Ay, paborito ko bakla.
Si Ma'am Shi, oh, gutom na gutom. Ma'am Shi. Yung friend natin na very subtle, oh, di ba? Walang bahid ng jet. Sobrang fresh. Welcome to Wonderful
Wonderful Buffet.
Buffet. Kung gusto niyo lang pong kumontak dito lang, ito po yung number niya. Ito po ang manager ng hotel. Ay, ng buffet.
Hindi ako si Ma'am Shi, driver lang ako.
Ay, driver. Ito pala. Ito pala ang ano, ating
Taste tester.
testers. Ano yung tawag doon?
Tama ko? Basta gutom ako. Kumukaw sa
Ayan.
akin.
Ano ba ako, Ma'am?